Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you installation of double DIN system on Lincoln Zephyr 2006. This vehicle doesn't have the double DIN kit, so we had to customize the factory dash just to fit the aftermarket double DIN radio. We have some nice clean lines in here. The CD can still be open and removed, so the 7-inch opens no problem. We also have in this case the THX system, so we have used a Maestro device to allow us to retain all the factory amplifier and features, steering wheel controls, everything works as factory. We have, this is a Pioneer 7-inch navigation system. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a few more options. You can always add backup camera and other stuff. The factory steering wheel buttons are working, as we can see. For more videos on electronics, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.